Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install RONIN Wallet for AXIS Infinity. So let's get started. We are going to open this website roninwallet.io, and then we're going to click here, and then we're going to install RONIN Wallet for Chrome. Okay, click install right here. I have already installed it, and then we can add it into the extension and pin it around here. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now let's setting a new RONIN wallet. Okay, and set a password. You can let it in or not. Okay. Okay. And we save the phrase a minute, and then after that we confirm the seed phrase. We see the correct position of the seed phrase. This one. And then after that, click confirm, and our wallet has been created. So now we are going to go to the AXIE Infinity. We're going to staking some AXIE. We can get around 114% APR. Let's see how much it is if we're going to APR to APY. So if we're going to daily compound it, 14, and it's for compound daily, it's around 212% APY. So if you put $100, you get $212 at the end of the year, or around 365 days. So it's really good. Okay, we just need to connect here the wallet, and we can send our AXIE from the Binance or other exchange. For now, the gas fee is on RONIN, but it's free, around 100 times. So we can stake it every day, almost free. So that's it for installing RONIN wallet and connecting to the staking AXIE dashboard. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and give comments. If you want another video, please put your comment below, and see you in the next video, and bye bye.